Many believe that billionaires are born, not made. But the truth is, with the right mindset, strategies, and execution, you can build a billion-dollar empire from scratch. In this video, we'll take you through a clear, actionable roadmap to becoming a billionaire. We're going to break down the exact steps you need to take, from developing a billionaire mindset to identifying lucrative opportunities and scaling your business to unimaginable heights. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about putting in the work, staying focused, and building something truly extraordinary. The journey to billions starts right here, in your mind. You need to cultivate a mindset that's laser-focused on growth, resilience, and long-term thinking. Billionaires see opportunities where others see obstacles, embrace challenges, and constantly learn and evolve. Look at Elon Musk. He revolutionized the electric car industry with Tesla, then set his sights on space exploration with SpaceX. Over 60% of the world's billionaires are self-made. If they can do it, why not you? It all starts with believing in yourself and your ability to achieve greatness. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Billionaires are wired differently. They're not afraid to dream big, push boundaries, and defy expectations. They understand that failure is just a stepping stone on the path to success. Cultivating a billionaire mindset is an ongoing process. It's about constantly seeking knowledge, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and never giving up on your dreams. One crucial aspect of this mindset is developing a strong work ethic. Building a billion-dollar empire requires relentless dedication and a willingness to go the extra mile. Now, having the right mindset is crucial, but you also need to find the right vehicle to get you there. That means identifying a lucrative opportunity in the market. Don't just follow trends. Look for problems that need solving, industries ripe for disruption, and gaps in the market that you can fill. Jeff Bezos didn't just create another bookstore. He saw the potential of e-commerce before anyone else and built Amazon into the behemoth it is today. Billion-dollar opportunities often lie at the intersection of innovation and market demand. Start by being observant. Pay attention to the pain points in your own life and the lives of others. What are people struggling with? What products or services do they wish existed? Once you've identified a problem worth solving, research the market thoroughly. Is there a large enough customer base? Who are your competitors? What are the barriers to entry? Don't be afraid to explore niche markets. Sometimes, the biggest opportunities are found in underserved or overlooked segments. Specializing in a niche allows you to become an expert and command premium pricing. Stay ahead of the curve by paying attention to emerging technologies, shifting consumer behaviors, and global trends. Finally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Now, let's talk about a topic that's absolutely crucial on your journey to becoming a billionaire: financial literacy. You can have the best business idea in the world, but if you don't know how to manage your money, it's all going to slip through your fingers. Financial literacy is the foundation of any successful business venture. You need to understand how money works, how to budget, save, invest, and make your money work for you. The more you learn about managing your finances, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions for your business. You'll be able to analyze financial statements, secure funding, and make strategic investments that fuel your growth. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is neglecting their personal finances. Remember, your personal finances are intertwined with your business finances, especially in the early stages. Create a budget, track your expenses, and make sure you're living below your means. Investing is another crucial aspect of financial literacy. Billionaires understand that money should be put to work to generate more money. Start by educating yourself about different investment vehicles and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. All right, so you've got the right mindset, identified a killer opportunity, and you're well versed in the language of money. Now, it's time to build a business that can actually scale to $1 billion. What do I mean by scalable? I'm talking about creating a business model that can handle massive growth without breaking a sweat. Think about companies like Amazon or Google. They started small but were able to grow exponentially because their business models were inherently scalable. One key aspect of building a scalable business is to create systems and processes that can be easily replicated. This means documenting everything from your customer onboarding process to your marketing strategies. Having well-defined systems in place allows you to delegate tasks effectively and ensures consistency as your business grows. Leverage technology to your advantage. In today's digital age, there's no excuse for not automating tasks, streamlining operations, and reaching a global audience. Don't be afraid to outsource tasks that are outside your area of expertise. Building a scalable business is an ongoing process of innovation and optimization. Let me tell you something. No one becomes a billionaire alone. The journey to the top is a team effort. Surrounding yourself with the right people, mentors, advisors, and a talented team can make all the difference. Building a strong network is often more valuable than initial capital. Think of it like this. Your network is your net worth. The people you surround yourself with will influence your thinking, challenge your assumptions, and open doors to new opportunities. Seek out mentors who have already achieved what you aspire to achieve. Their experience and guidance can be invaluable. Don't be afraid to reach out to successful entrepreneurs, investors, or industry experts you admire. Attend conferences, join networking groups, and be proactive in building relationships. When building your team, look for individuals who are not only skilled, but also share your vision and values. A strong team is built on trust, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to excellence. Collaboration is key. Strategic partnerships can also be incredibly valuable. Look, let's be real. The road to billions is paved with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But here's the thing that separates the billionaires from the rest: perseverance. You will face obstacles, you will make mistakes, and you will want to give up at times. But the key is to persevere, to learn from your failures, and to come back stronger than ever. The most successful entrepreneurs are often the ones who have faced the most adversity. They understand that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path to success. The business landscape is constantly changing, so being adaptable is crucial. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, so you need to be willing to pivot, adjust your strategies, and embrace new technologies and trends. The key is to stay agile, to be open to new ideas, and to never stop learning. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking and push you to be your best. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. The journey to billions is not for the faint of heart, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Becoming a billionaire from nothing is a monumental challenge, but it's not impossible. Follow this roadmap, stay focused, and keep learning. Your journey to $1 billion starts today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that first step today and never stop pushing towards your dreams. The world is waiting for your $1 billion idea.